Hey, Mama House here. Today we're going to make some cornbread from some blue corn that I'm going to grind in this mock meal. Ooh, look how pretty this blue corn is ground up. That's going to make some good cornbread. To make this cornbread with this stone ground cornmeal, you need a cup of the cornmeal. You need a cup of all-purpose flour. You need a third of a cup of sugar. And you just want to give that a mix, a good stir. Mix it up all well. You need a tablespoon of baking powder. And a teaspoon of salt. Look at that pretty blue tint from that cornmeal. So it calls for a cup and a fourth of buttermilk. And it calls for 2 eggs. I'm going to mix that egg and milk together first. And then slowly bring in my cornmeal, flour, baking soda, sugar, and salt mixture. And it's going to be kind of lumpy, and that's okay. It's got that pretty blue color from that blue corn. Okay, now that that's mixed up, we're going to take our butter and pour in all but about 2 tablespoons. We're going to leave about 2 tablespoons in that pan. So let's give this a stir. Okay, let's add that mixture into this hot pan. And we're going to put it in a 425-degree oven. Look at that butter floating on top there. For about 25 minutes or until it looks golden brown. So this is what it looks like. It's been in the oven for about 35 minutes. Hoss is going to taste test it for us.
Good stuff.
Now let's make some collard greens to go with that cornbread.
For your collard greens, the first thing you want to do is take the stem, just fold it in half, and rip that stem out. Not everybody does this, but I really like just the green, not that tough stem. Once they're washed, I'm going to give them a quick rinse here in the sink. These were actually grown in the greenhouse, so they are barely ever clean. They've not been out in the garden soil. If they've been outside, that takes me like 2 things of water and wash them from side to side several times. And like I said, these are fairly clean. They've been in the greenhouse. I'm going to start by chopping me up some sweet yellow onions.
Okay, I'm going to take some bacon grease. And put in a pan. You can use olive oil. Let me turn the stove on here. And we're just going to saute this onion a little bit. I'll take my collards and just roll them up into some strips and just slice them. I don't like to put mine in there whole. So give them one more slice. Now the onions have browned a little bit. They're good and translucent. So I'm going to go ahead and put my collards in here. And wilt them down.
I'm going to add my ham hock. And then the last ingredient is just some chicken broth. So I'm going to cover it really well. And this is what makes that good old pot liquor that you can soak your cornbread in. And that's it. Now just let it cook on low with the lid on for about 45 minutes or longer. And we'll have us some cornbread and collard greens.